Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy. It's been a couple of days since we've done an update, but we are seeing some bullish momentum forming on the daily time frame, and we're going to see if that momentum itself can actually be sustained or if there is going to be any signs of pullback. So taking a look overall here for Jasmy, we're trading at 0.01689. We are up 1.64 in the last 24 hours. However, the volume itself took a dump here at 38%. So not a whole lot of activity here, but we may see that pullback. And the reason why I say that on the daily time frame is the previous candlestick close here resembling a hanging man candlestick. And typically hanging man candlesticks observed at the very top here is a bearish reversal candlestick. It does show us that within this 24 hours here, there was a sharp sell resembling the tail of this candlestick here, which is twice the size of the main body, which is observed at the very top. Not only that, here we do see the RSI is going into overbought territory at 70%. So we may see overexhaustion here from the bulls and possibly a pullback. In order to maintain this beautiful uptrend here that we see for Jasmy, making beautiful lower highs and a lot of, I don't want to say a lot, but like almost higher highs. It's pretty much matched up just below our 78% of our Fibonacci at 0.018. So this is going to be the hard resistance line that Jasmy needs to beat in order for us to continue this beautiful uptrend. However, if we do see that pullback caused by the overbought signal on our RSI and this hanging man candlestick, ideally we do want to keep above our 50% of our Fibonacci at 0.01452. That will create a lower high for this uptrend to continue. If we do see a possible close below that 50% of our Fibonacci, closer to that 20 moving average, that's going to be our maximum support level for this uptrend to continue on itself. We do see our MACD indicator again getting lighter in the color, but very positively here, Jasmy's K and our D line, a part of our MACD indicator, is still above our zero. So it is showing some bullish indicators here. Again, we are hoping we do stay above our 50%. If we do pull out our indicator here, our volume profile, if this indicator does work, or maybe it does change. Okay, we're just going to use the visible range one. So I'm just going to zoom out. In terms of visible range, this volume indicator shows volume depending on the dollar amounts, and it does use it as a good area of support and resistance depending on how much volume generated at that dollar amount. So we can see where the current price is at right now. It generated a lot of orders around this dollar amount, so around 0.016 all the way up to the very top here, which is this resistance line at 0.0173. So ideally, the support area here that we are looking at is just at our 61% of our Fibonacci at 0.01599. So if the bulls are able to defend the 61% of our Fibonacci, I mean, that's just a very short pullback itself that will determine how strong the bulls are in breaking this area of resistance. But key area here to look for, depending on how strong the sellers do get in this market for the next 24 hours, ideally would be the stop here at our 50%, 0.01452. So those are my two key areas here to look out for. I do predict if we're able to defend this area here for the bulls, then a strong projection upwards towards the resistance of our 78% of our Fibonacci could be in play here at 0.01809. But time will tell in the next 24 to 72 hours, kind of seeing where that momentum may shift. Obviously, with that hanging man candlestick, a close below that body of our candlestick is going to show us confirmation that the bearish reversal candlestick is going to be in play. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, showing your support, like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Now it's working.